In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your deposit bank account to Crypto.com. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's smooth and easy. First, let's begin by opening the Crypto.com application on your mobile device or computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, take a moment to do so from your App Store. Once you have the app open, take a look at the home screen. This is your gateway to the world of crypto investments and transactions. Next, you'll want to find and click on the deposit icon. This icon is typically represented by a plus sign or a similar symbol. It's your starting point for adding funds to your account. In most interfaces, the deposit option is located prominently in the main menu or dashboard of the app. It's designed to be accessible so you can easily manage your deposits. Once you've clicked the deposit icon, you'll be presented with a choice, selecting either crypto or cash. This is an important decision and it depends on your intent. If you're planning to deposit traditional currency, go with cash. However, if you're transferring from another crypto wallet or platform, select crypto. Remember, understanding your needs will guide this choice effectively. After making this decision, you'll need to specify the type of cryptocurrency you want to deposit. The app will provide you with a list of available cryptocurrencies. Take a moment to consider which one aligns with your investment strategy. Each cryptocurrency operates on different networks, so select the one that best fits your portfolio and goals. Next, you will need to select the network you wish to use for your transaction. This is a critical step since transaction times and fees can vary significantly between networks. Be sure to choose a network that matches the cryptocurrency you've selected. Often, networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum are available to choose from. After making your choice, prepare to wait a bit, as the transaction may take over 20 minutes to complete. This waiting period is normal, as blockchain transactions can take time to be processed and verified. Throughout this process, it's important to ensure that all the information you've entered is correct to avoid any issues with your deposit. If you ever feel uncertain, don't hesitate to refer back to user guides or support resources offered by Crypto.com. Over time, these steps will become second nature as you get more comfortable navigating the application. And that's it! You've successfully linked your deposit bank account to Crypto.com, setting you up to seamlessly manage your investments. By following these instructions, you can ensure that your deposits are handled efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.